Hey everyone, welcome back to LEDs, your go-to for all things LED lighting. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install a downlight bulb. Let's break it down. Step 1. First things first, safety comes first. Make sure the power is off at the DB board before you begin. Trust me, it's better safe than sorry. Step 2. Now, if you're replacing an old downlight bulb, carefully removing it by gently pulling down on the rim of the fitting. You should be able to twist or unclip the bulb from the socket. If it's a GU10, it might need a bit of a twist. Be careful not to damage the fitting. Step 3. Now that the old one is out, grab your new downlight bulb. Make sure it is compatible with your fitting. Whether it's LED or halogen, the process is pretty similar. Insert the bulb back into the socket. Twist it back into place just like you did with the old one. Step 4. Once you're happy with the installation, turn the power back on at the DB board and test the light. If it's working, you're all set. And now you know how to install a downlight. For more exciting products, visit www.leds.co.za.